2,000 RPMs. That little guy right there. Use this. 1 second push. Until the bottle's completely empty. That's how you clean the top of your valves, top of your cylinders, and whatnot. So once you have done that and you finish with the complete bottle, you know, just one second shots like that, then what you want to do is you want to rev it up to about 3,500 or a little less, 3,000, 3,500 for a few times, and it should start nice and smoking like that. And then at that point, let it idle for another minute, then turn it off, let it sit for 45 minutes to an hour, let it get heat soak in there, and then go drive it. So you're gonna get a lot of smoke, so that's normal, and that means it's doing its job. So guys, that's it. This is what I'm using, the CRC intake valve cleaner. So that's what I use. So if you got any questions, post it on the chat on YouTube, and I'll be more than happy to answer any of the questions. See you next time.